Well, good morning, everybody. It's morning for me anyway. So, lots of you requested a vlog type of a video. So, here it comes. So basically, I'm going to show you a bit of surroundings around where I live. The town I'm actually living in, it's my hometown, and that's more or less central Poland. If you want to find out a little bit more about my hometown, I'm gonna just drop a few links down the bottom of the description of this video and a couple of words from me as well. So if you want to check that out, please do so. As you know, I'm looking for a house in Poland and I'm heading to check one out just from outside, see how it looks and see the surroundings. So obviously I don't have a car yet. I'm hoping to get one after the new year, as the prices usually should drop a little bit with the next year. So it's about 4 kilometers walk from where I live to this house, so it's not too bad. It's actually a nice sunny day for a change. So today is not raining, bit of a sunshine, -2, so it's quite fresh, but it's just a nice walk. Obviously the quality of this video is made on my phone, so don't expect too much, please guys. Same with the sound. But you know, I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna show you just the surroundings. But this is the outskirts of the town itself, and there will be another video showing you the town center, a beautiful park you can see there, and later on we'll see, depending on where I'm going to be able to go, I'm going to try to show you a bit of Poland as well. Now I'm recording this beginning of the video in the middle of nowhere. It's basically a village that's near my hometown. At the minute I think it's actually part of my hometown now. So the trip you're going to come with me on this video is going to be a little bit random, a bit of here and there. But I hope you're still going to enjoy it, and it will give you a bit of perspective on how Poland is starting to look like in 2020, 2021. So yeah, enjoy it. So to answer some of the questions, yes, we've got cars and horses and carriages and more or less the things on the past. As I've heard many times, opinions of people about Poland that, you know, Poland is still miles behind every other country in the world, but maybe at one point that was the case, but for sure that is changing. As you can see, we've got nice cars as well, nice neighborhoods, So things are picking up in Poland. So in Poland, more or less 70% of the population lives in flats. So it's not like in the UK where everybody's got a house and the flats are more or less council housing. In Poland, more or less everybody lives in flats. And this is the local primary school or high school, I'm not sure, to be fair. Can't probably see much because of the sun, sorry about that. And just around the corner there is massive sports hall. I believe there's some sports events going around here, and I think some concerts and all that, so that's quite neat having that on the, well, estate, as you wish, if you want to call it like that. Yeah, it's looking quite good. Never been inside myself, to be fair. When I was living on this estate with my parents, this wasn't here, it was just an empty field. I can actually remember running around the fields. There was a mountain of dirt over here, and we treated that as our base with the kids. So seeing all this built in this place when, you know, 20 odd years ago there was absolutely nothing here, and seeing all this now, it is quite remarkable of how Poland has changed over the years. In the far corner there you can see the church, the local church. I have to say, a lot has changed. Domino's pizza! Bloody hell! I wasn't expecting that in Poland. I wonder if they're overpriced over here as they are in the UK. Well, soon find out. So we're heading to our flat now. As you can see, beautiful trees. You see, that's what I love about the estates, that they're still trying to preserve a bit of nature, some trees, bushes and all that, so it doesn't look just like a total concrete jungle. And I do really enjoy the colours on the flats, as before, as I can remember them, they've been all grey and nasty. So having a bit of colour, it really, I don't know, brightens up your day, I think, a little bit. So it's a lot better than it was before, that's for sure. And then in the middle of the flat estate you got some a closed off estate with houses, posh houses, very expensive houses, but guess what, there's absolutely no plot, no land with them. And you know, from UK perspective, as I've lived in a terraced house, they still probably got more land than we had with our house. So you know, it all depends what you're looking for, really. On this occasion, I really want to have some land, so the kids got somewhere to run around and I don't have to worry about them. And for our sakes, I like to grow my own vegetables, maybe some fruits. I'm gonna show you my primary school now. I love paths like this, you know, trees around, cans after beer. Yeah, oh look, vodka as well. Yeah, loads of that over here. Well, it must be the drinking corn over here. Bloody hell. I can see it's more or less same as in the UK, to be fair. And look at that. That used to be my primary school. It's all nicely done up. When I was here, I didn't have this football ground or anything. Now look at it. It's fantastic. You got some basketball courts over there, volleyball, everything. Looks really cool. And that's a big school, yeah. It's a really massive school. Proper pitch, it really is. So, this smaller block of flats just in front of us, this is where I live. We're going to come through the, well, garden part of it, as we do have ground floor flat, which is nice and cozy for now. Over here, as you can see, this concrete thing in the middle of the grass and those barriers, there used to be a bunker over here, you know, in the good old times when there was fear of war. That's what it was. Obviously now I think they've filled it up with soil just to prevent kids going in there and hurting themselves. And yeah, nice tree. And the windows you can see there, that's our flat, just behind those big beautiful trees. So yeah, in the summer it's really nice because it's all green and grown and it looks really cool. Okay, so for today that's all, guys. Thank you for being with me, being with my channel. I'm going in for a hot cup of coffee because I'm absolutely freezing. Take care, guys. See ya.